9 months into being a dad, things I've learned. You can't be having a good baby wipe on standby all the time, because kids, they're ready to wreck your house.
I bet her dad wishes he'd used the Easy Clean range from Crown Paints. Oh, I am her dad.
Keep fit whilst at home in my exclusive interview in this week's episode of Don't Tell Your Mum.
Loose Dads is a podcast from the Dadsnet. It's 4 dads getting together, chatting about dad stuff.
I'm Ollie Webb, professional racing driver. Now I'm going to be a dad. I'm going to be travelling at very different speeds in my family car.
I'm Dave Cornthwaite and I've joined forces with Dadsnet and Silvercross to continue my mission to talk to dads of all walks of life about fatherhood.
We created a community, or we started a Facebook group.
When we found out we'd lost one of our triplets during the pregnancy, I sort of stumbled across Dadsnet from people reaching out to me, really. The experiences you get from one group out there is just unbelievable.